Sometimes we just want to bake some cookies or something good for our family. Oh boy, the recipes call for baking soda, which has 1,200 milligrams of sodium for 1 teaspoon. That's a lot. Energy baking soda substitute has no sodium. Can be ordered from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. I'm going to show it to you. Use double of what your recipe calls for. It works just fine. I've used this in all kinds of things. I can't tell the difference. My little tip got you thinking about maybe you could bake some of those cookies. Then, please subscribe to my channel. You'll have a new low sodium tip or a recipe coming your way every Friday.